Hello, I'm Adrienne Holder, attorney in charge of the Legal Aid Society's civil practice, and it's my pleasure to officially kick off the 2021 Associates Campaign. Exactly 1 year ago, I had the opportunity to kick off this annual initiative. Our city was just 2 weeks into the shutdown. On that day, I shared with you that despite the uncertainties before us, the staff and partners of the Legal Aid Society were ready to advocate on behalf of our neighbors through the pandemic and beyond. Today, New York City is facing compounding crises, a new wave of the pandemic, a national reckoning over racial justice, looming mass evictions. All of these and more have upended life for New Yorkers across the city. Now, as we have always done in times of crisis, we are fighting to keep our city safe. Our staff are working tirelessly to defend the rights of clients and communities in danger. Within the civil practice, we represent low-wage and service workers, tenants experiencing displacement, survivors of domestic violence, immigrant communities, the elderly, people living with disabilities, and children. More than 90% of our clients identify as people of color, 70% identify as women, and 64% of our clients have annual incomes below $20,000. These are the populations that have been disproportionately impacted by the coronavirus pandemic in New York City and will continue to be over the coming months. Simultaneously, these are the very communities that will be central to New York's ability to recover and grow and build a stable economy in a post-pandemic world. The Legal Aid Society will stand with them, just as we have done before, during, and after times of unfathomable loss and struggle. During our 145 years, we've amplified the voice of our vulnerable and marginalized communities here in New York City. We do this work because we believe in race equity and justice for all, and we fight tirelessly in every borough to achieve these ends. Through your support of the historic 2020 Associates Campaign, you kept our mission alive when things looked hopeless 1 year ago. With your support, we secured critical tenant protections, fought for the rights of the homeless, obtained the release of vulnerable immigrants in detention, advocated for the rights of students learning remotely, and served as an emergency resource for workers who overnight found themselves out of work or underemployed and without worker protections. But there is still much work to be done. We need your help. During our annual Associates Campaign, legal professionals across the city join our fight for the rights of everyday New Yorkers. The campaign is our largest fundraising and engagement initiative of the year, bringing together over 2,000 attorneys and other professionals to celebrate the advancement of equal access to justice. Last year's Associates Campaign was the most successful in our history, with over 2,100 generous supporters raising a record $453,000 in support of our work. At a time when we needed it the most, our firms came through. And we believe that this year, we will make history once again. In a time when the support of our partners is more important than ever, we hope you will stand with us once again. Even during a time when we cannot gather together in person, we find comfort in knowing that our most committed partners stand with us from afar and are prepared to help us help those in need. On behalf of our staff and those we serve, thank you for your support. Stay safe and be well.